Brogger, who's the CEO of SharesPost, and SharesPost does something very unique. It allows you to have an investment opportunity in companies that you generally wouldn't be able to touch, like the Facebooks, the Twitters of the world. He's with SharesPost.com. Greg, explain exactly what that means. How does somebody get an investment into a company that's not traded in the public market?
So at SharesPost, we've created bulletin boards for the most interesting venture-backed private companies. And what we're looking to do is connect buyers and sellers and give them the tools, the contracts, the escrow provider, so they can seamlessly step into a transaction and close the deal and own a piece of these companies.
So what does a Twitter cost somebody? Are we talking millions of dollars, or is this something the layman can actually get involved with?
So to be a purchaser on SharesPost, you need to be an accredited investor, and there's different rules about that, and go to the site, find out what they are. But the minimum transaction size on SharesPost right now is just $25,000.
$25,000.
Right.
So you can actually get involved in these companies that are really the skyrockets in the industry. So how is SharesPost? It's been around only a couple of months, right?
That's right. We launched in the middle of June.
Middle of June. Where do you see it going in the next year?
So we're quite excited about this, the scale that in a very short period of time we've been able to put together. We have over 7,000 registered members who represent more than $40 billion in dedicated capital for private equity. And we're getting now over 1,000 visitors a day. We're seeing this $50 million worth of posts to buy and sell up on the site now. We're seeing transactions starting to ramp. So we've been quite excited about the traction that we've been able to generate.
Is it you going after the companies to entice them to be part of it, or are you actually seeing companies wanting to get involved with this market opportunity?
So it's, at this point, it's been a combination of our members coming to us and saying, these are the companies that we're interested in. We have shares. We'd like to find the other side of a potential transaction. But at this point, we're also now going out to talk to companies about how they can participate and essentially have a seat at the table, because we want the SharesPost system, the bulletin boards, to work for both buyer and seller and for the company, and we think there's a way for them all to be happy.
It's not high-tech companies either. I mean, it's a Tesla of the world, a car manufacturer. You're going after green companies. It's everything.
So we've started as about 150 odd companies there. We think we'll probably get to 2,000 companies by the end of the year. And the threshold for us is this. We're looking for companies that are $100 million in market cap and above. So it's not really a marketplace for startups or really early stage stuff.
SharesPost.com.
SharesPost.com.
Thanks a lot, Greg.